again, just to have a talk to you about some of the new items that's come in. We've had quite a few shipments. If you're getting our newsletter, you'll see that there's been quite a bit. So, let's start off with Mini Art. Quite a few new items from Mini Art. This one's pretty cool. It's a BMR1 with the nine player on the front. From A Model, we've got a series of quite a lot of new kits from them and old kits that haven't been in before. This is AA Models. They've got some nice new stuff. Micromere, some 1/44 scale things. For Australian modelers, that's the Eastern Express Sunstate Shorts 360. For 1/44 scale modelers, this is the 1/44th Gigant from Pit Road, but it's also available from Great Wall, which I'll show you later. This is a magnificent kit. For the detail in it and everything else, just superb. Also, we've got the Vulcan with the blue steel missile. They're both excellent. I'm so impressed with this one, it's just so nice. Also, from a company called Art Model, we've got the MBV 155 in 72nd scale. A lot of, what's it called, Ace models. A lot of that's come in and we've got a lot of restock, so there's new items, older items, everything else. This is one that a lot of people have been waiting for. This is the 1/48 scale AMP Bristol Sycamore. Very, very nice. Obviously Australian markings and a good price too, $59.99. So very, very nice. Comes with a mask set and everything. So that's quite nice. Also from A Model, the Hawker Heart series. They've done nearly all the series except the Demon so far. This is the new one from Fine Models. This is an all new tool kit. This is the Babs KI15 in 48 scale. Very, very nice. Nice little kit. There's two versions of that. For the egg type plane modelers, this is the Freedom Models F5, so you get the single seat and the two seater. There's two kits in there, which is quite nice. Also from AA Models, the HA300. A Model again, we've got the Pokélove PE8. There's three versions. This is a polar version, and the version that carried the like a Bell X1 underneath it, and gone from there. We'll have a look around the rest of the store because I haven't been able to fit all the new stuff up here, so we'll just give it a sec, we'll have a walk. Okay, just have a walk around some of the new items because as I said, there's quite a lot, so we'll have a look at a few things. For AC/DC fans and truck modelers and ACD fans and all, this is the new kit from Revell. This is a limited edition. It's a 1/32 scale snap together truck. Does need glue and paint as well, but you can snap it apparently. It's got also the ACD markings on it and all things like that. Quite interesting. Also from Revell, Easy Click System Porsche. This is 1/16 scale. Supposedly all click together, you don't need glue. Clip togethers are interesting, sometimes can use glue and sometimes can't. From Italeri, we've got the Racing Fiat Abarth, that's just come in. If you're into big Volkswagens, that's a Volkswagen V-Dub, 16th scale. Bus, the London bus, that's come back in. Okay, some of the other new items come in. A lot of restocks of A Model, so in 1/44 scale, there's all sorts of bits and pieces in there. These are more of the eggplane type ones, from Freedom Models. We've also got the Cute Models. That's the one. That's the Japanese one with the cat. There's also one with a dog. So if you're into eggplanes and things like that. Also in lots of restock of again A Model in 72nd scale. Some IBG bits and pieces, lots of Special Hobby. We've got restocks of Special Hobby. We've got lots of the things like bits and pieces. Vampire. This is the little 72nd scale one, Mark 1. So this is the square tail version. It does include markings for an Australian one, so you can build one straight out of the box of that. We've also had in the Vickers Wildebeest in New Zealand markings, so that's a brand new kit, new tool. We've also had in, where else, from Edouard Bowden Plate. This has got two kits in it, all in etch metal, all sorts of detail, things like that. We've had in also lots of Trumpeter, lots of bits and pieces from them, lots of restock from Trumpeter. Tamiya, of course, just restocks. Airfix, Revell's released a V1 rocket This is not that old kit that was out years and years ago. This is actually based on Special Hobbies kit with all the bits and pieces. Quite nice. Italeri, Airfix, all those sort of things. On the armour side of things, Music Hobby, this has just been come back in. This is really nice. This is a 12.8 centimetre flak gun from them, but it also includes this radar unit. Doesn't include the base, so you're gonna have to make that up yourself, but it does include the radar unit. They've also released the Waffenträger AF E100 with a big gun mounted on the back of it, so that's also in stock. We've had restocks and new items from Hobby Boss, Trumpeter, all those sort of guys. In 72nd scale, lots of Ace models. We've had a big range of that. The pricing is much better, so if you're looking for these sort of kits, pricing has gone down significantly. We've also had in this company, this is a new company called T-Model. Now, there's 3 versions of this. There's a standard version, a second version with extra parts, and a third version that comes with extra parts and figures. That's why you'll see a price difference. Looks like the same vehicle, but it does have a different price and a different system. That's quite good. We've had restocks of AFE Club. Again, lots of new Trumpeter, lots of restock of Trumpeter, all sorts of goodies up there. This is a fascinating piece. This is a railway gun from Hobby Boss. It actually, this whole unit is one piece. You can just see it in there. It's beautifully moulded, so if you're looking for something different, that's quite nice. As I said, lots of new stuff from Mini Art, restocks of Tamiya, again, Mini Art, and that's about it for this time round. So, lots of new stuff to come and have a look at. I know it was hot yesterday, but today's cool. Come and see us. We've got lots and lots of goodies we can show you. Just can't fit it all in today. Talk to you then.